Some passengers think they're just relaxing, but the cruise crew has a totally different story. Here are the 16 things they actually hate. *** Part 2. The body countdown style will cover 16 mistakes, but for clarity, I'll do a detailed explanation for each. Keep narration conversational, like you're telling secrets to the viewer. 16. Ignoring tipping etiquette. Many passengers forget tipping their cabin steward or restaurant staff properly. This creates resentment, as crew rely on tips to supplement their income. A simple daily tip goes a long way to show appreciation. 15. Leaving messy cabins behind while cabin stewards are trained to clean. Leaving dirty dishes, laundry, or trash makes their job unnecessarily harder. It's simple. Tidy up before leaving, and you'll make their day easier. 14. Blocking hallways with luggage. Dragging luggage into hallways or leaving it outside staterooms can create safety hazards and annoy the crew. Cruise ships have tight corridors, so be mindful where you place your bags. 13. Ignoring pool rules. Crew hates when passengers ignore signs like no running or no diving. These rules exist to prevent injuries, and breaking them puts both you and staff at risk. 12. Overstuffing mini fridges or room closets. Passengers sometimes cram the mini fridge or closet with excessive items. It makes cleaning and maintenance harder and can even damage equipment. Keep your space organized. It's a small courtesy that's greatly appreciated. 11. Being rude to waitstaff or crew. This one's obvious, but still happens too often. A bad attitude or demanding tone stresses the crew unnecessarily. Politeness goes a long way, and crew members are trained to reward good manners. 10. Ignoring dining reservations. Skipping a reservation or showing up late without notice frustrates staff and disrupts other passengers' schedules. Always confirm or cancel in advance to keep dining smooth for everyone. 9. Misusing pool towels. Taking towels to cabins or losing them without returning is a common irritation. Crew has to track them down and replace them, which takes time away from other duties. 8. Leaving food waste in rooms. Cruise staff dislike when passengers leave leftover food in rooms or on balconies. It attracts pests and creates extra work. Dispose of leftovers properly or use designated bins. 7. Loud noise after quiet hours. Ignoring quiet hours in hallways or balconies can disturb both passengers and crew. Crew may have early shifts, so respect quiet hours to keep everyone happy. 6. Attempting unauthorized access. Trying to enter crewly areas, kitchens, or restricted zones annoys staff and breaches safety protocols. These areas are off limits for a reason, so enjoy your passenger spaces instead. 5. Ignoring health and safety warnings, whether it's not following muster drills or ignoring pool or deck safety. Breaking rules creates stress for the crew. They are responsible for everyone's safety, and compliance keeps cruises smooth. 4. Taking excessive freebies. Some passengers overuse freebies like soaps, shampoo, or snacks. Crew notices, and it adds to supply shortages and extra work. Take what you need, but don't be greedy. 3. Overbooking. Shore excursions. Booking more excursions than you can attend or not showing up wastes staff resources. They prepare everything in advance, so cancel in time if your plans change. 2. Poor hygiene in shared spaces. Not showering before pools, leaving messy bathrooms, or failing to sanitize hands is frustrating for crew. Shared areas require basic hygiene out of respect for staff and other passengers. 1. Not respecting personal space of crew. Biggest secret irritation. Crew members often face passengers leaning over them, following them, or asking intrusive questions. Respect their space. They're there to help, not to be bothered constantly. This is the top mistake that annoys cruise staff the most. Part 3. The outro. Now that you know the 16 mistakes that cruise crew secretly hate, you can cruise smarter, smoother, and happier for everyone. Treat the crew with respect, follow simple rules, and your vacation will be stress-free. If you enjoyed this insider guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cruise secrets. Comment below which mistake you've seen the most, and share this video with friends planning their next cruise.